Hey everybody, Zach Cope here, and I'm excited to bring you today to Preston Lake Apartments, brand new community here on the eastern side of the county, just outside of the city of Harrisonburg on the way to Massanutten. Today we're going to check out a 3-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit. We'll take a look at the clubhouse here as well as the pool. And hey, if this is your first time here or you've been here a couple times, thanks so much for checking out this channel. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time a new video comes out. All right, with that being said, enjoy the tour. All right, here we are at the clubhouse. We're going to go through this kind of quick because we have a lot to cover, but this is just a gorgeous open area with plenty of room for gathering, entertaining. I mean, the stonework, the flooring, the paint, it's all very bright and cozy at the same time. The kitchenette here, perfect for entertaining and gathering there too. So let's go over and check out the gym, which is quite large compared to some other communities I've seen. A lot of machines in here, plenty of free weights as well. Just a very nice space. You'll, I'm sure, always have a machine or something you can use regardless of how many people are in there. Nice little yoga studio here, or exercise studio with a big screen you can select different workouts on, and plenty of mirrors there so that you can see how well you're doing. Let's check out the pool. This area is just huge, you guys, enormous off the back of the clubhouse. And then beyond that is a large green space that they will often use for gathering for different things. Here we are at one of the 2-bedroom units we're going to check out here. So right away we see a nice big open floor plan with a beautiful kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and honestly this is pretty cool. They have a balcony off the kitchen here, and then what I think is pretty cool is there is a second balcony as well over on the other end, which we'll check out here in just a second. This is perfect for gathering here. So that's the family room or living room space. And then we have this little balcony here, which would be perfect for a couple chairs or even a table, a small table for dining al fresco as well. So just a really nice little touch. All right, bedroom number 1 here. This is gonna be the master bedroom. Pretty good sized room here. Plenty of room for a king bed, and then very large master bathroom. 1 sink in there, just kind of a standard tub, and then large walk-in closet here. In fact, both bedrooms have these large closets, which I was surprised to see in an apartment. But yeah, very, very nice space there. The second bedroom we walked by when we came in. Oh, here's laundry room there. All units come standard with a nice washer dryer. And the second bedroom actually opens to the other full bath as well as the hall. So it's sort of a hall bath and a master for the second bedroom, which is pretty cool. Large walk-in closet here as well. All right, you guys, so that's the 2-bedroom unit called the Summit. Let's go check out the 3-bedroom. All right, so this one is on the ground level called the Cadence. 3 beds and 2 baths in this unit. Same kind of setup with sort of the angled peninsula with the sink there for the kitchen. Large open space. You can already tell this is quite a bit larger here. Ground level as well kind of helps with that. And we're gonna go ahead and see little details like that archway. It's kind of cool. Bedrooms here. We got 2 bedrooms on the left side here. This one's a little bit more of a narrow bedroom, but still can fit a king-size bed. This one is even just slightly smaller, so probably more suitable for like a queen. Both of those have standard-sized closets as well. And we have a full bath here. That's going to be a standard single sink with a shower. And then the master suite. So the master is quite large. Plenty of natural light through that window. Of course, large master bathroom there. as well as this very large and spacious walk-in closet. Now there's something specifically you need to see in here. Each unit comes equipped with a home Wi-Fi system from Xfinity, and this is like the latest and greatest. So you'll have plenty of speed, plenty of access to that. Now let's take a closer look at the master here. So single sink, but large wide vanity there. Very nice. All right, one last thing to check out, and that's going to be the garage and the laundry room. So the garage is long and narrow, so enough room for one car and then some storage as well. Pretty cool space for an apartment. All right, that's going to wrap up the tour of the 3-bedroom unit. All right, everybody, that's going to wrap today's tour of Preston Lake Apartments. If you want some more information about this beautiful community, head over to PrestonLakeAPTS.com and check it out. And if you'd like more content like what you've seen here today, please hit subscribe, click that like button and the notification bell so you know exactly when every new video comes out. Well, that's going to do it for me. I'm Zach Cope, your realtor here in Harrisonburg and Rockingham County. And remember, it's your move.